Sun's going down on his pressure. 160 beats a minute and the heart screaming. He's pale, he's cold, he's drifting. We're out of options, son. It's time to bring the storm. The monitor's a ghost, singing a frantic song. Too fast to live, too steady to be wrong. He's looking through me, halfway out the door. I got the paddles ready, gotta even up the score. Gal on the skin,
wire in the air.
Say a little prayer for the man in the chair. Ride the lightning, let the thunder roll. Give back the rhythm to a weary soul. Break the circle, stop the clock. Wait for the heart to take the shock. I see the marker sink his lock clear. Stop spinning in that hollow space, watching for a flicker in a frozen face. Is he coming back? Is a line gonna climb? We're standing on the edge of borrowed time. There it is, the thump, the kicking steady beat, slow and thick. Colors coming back, the storm is past. Ride the lightning, home at last. Yeah!